Hello guys and welcome back. So today is a very beautiful day and we are here in Juja even though it's a little bit sunny, but we want to check this 5-bedroom house out. This house is located here in Juja. It's built and designed by Verified Real Estate. Come on, let's check it out.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away.
So welcome back again guys.
Wait on.
So this house is sitting on a quarter plot. And since the front door is closed, we'll have to access it via the kitchen. So let's go and check what really happens in the kitchen, how the kitchen is designed. And the first thing that I noticed when I got into this place was the chandeliers. I mean, the lighting is so beautiful to an extent that you can't fail to notice it. Just check that out. The finishing makes you admire to have one that kind. So here is the kitchen. Immediately you step into the kitchen, you meet the working space, the cooker and the extractor. One thing I've noticed with this kitchen, it has enough, or the space is very enough to put all your things that you want. The lighting also, the lighting is adequate. So here is a living room. It's very spacious, and the good thing with this living room, it has two doors. There's the main door and there's this one. So this is the second door. This second door can be used as access to balcony, or you can add a garden to the other side. Now that is our second door also. And above us we have this beautiful chandelier. Just look at the lights and the dining room over there. Top-notch finishing. We have this other chandelier that is direct above the dining table. Look at that. It makes you feel the luxury. So remember, on the ground floor, we have the dining, we have the living room, and we have the washing area. It's a common washing area. And yeah, we have another one bedroom. So it's one bedroom on the ground, a study room, a common toilet, and a washing area. You can tell the space, the storage space are enough because they're meant to fit everything that you have. The finishing of the washrooms is of top notch. Everything is well fitted. The shower heads and everything. So modern designs. Just tell me what you think about this property on the comment section. Can have this discussion, or which kind of shower do you like, because in this house we have a variety of showers. You can just look at that. Look, detailed, everything is detailed. Designed to suit your likings. A modern mirror can be switched on and off. So you don't need a makeup station. Right. So let's go to the first floor. Remember, in the first floor we have the lounge. We have the family lounge. Again, we also have the 3 bedrooms. Is it 3? No, we have the 4 bedroom inclusive of master bedroom. So let's go. Okay, let me show you something. Come on, come on. So this is the lounge. You can see over there we have the chandeliers. It's very spacious enough. You can fit your chairs. Beautiful chandeliers. Everything is detailed. I'm telling you. Love these things. Yeah, it also has a balcony. Just look at the detailing. Just look at that. Amazing, right? So guys, if you also like what you're doing here, ensure you subscribe, leave a comment. Most of the time we usually learn a lot of things via the comment section, because that's the only chance we get to interact with our viewers. So I'll be really happy. I'll be glad to hear your feedbacks, what you like, what you don't like about the house. So the price of the house is going for 18 million. That is 18 million exclusive of the price of the land. So that is 18 million pure for the house, not for the land. So on our first floor, again, we have our first bedroom, which is our second bedroom if we count the one on the ground floor. As we all know, you can see it has adequate space. We have the washroom area, which is modern. Everything here is top notch also. Sorry, we did not have enough light in this room, so didn't get much of what I wanted to show you, but we can just continue and see the other bedroom. You have the second bedroom, which is the third bedroom if you also count the one on the ground. Just look at that. Look at the lighting. I've noticed that lights in the house bring a certain feel. It makes you feel, especially in luxury houses, it always makes you feel relaxed, as if you own the place. Just look at that. Very spacious. The ceilings are done well. Let me show you the washroom areas. All the washroom are the same design. That's what I've seen in this house. So like everything is all the same. The same shower heads on the first floor. Same design for the toilet, same design for all the 3 rooms. I don't know about the master bedroom, but for the 3 rooms, I can say they all look the same, except for the lights. The lights are a little bit different. I guess it's a choice of the owners. If the room is yours, you decide the kind of light that you want. Let's check our 4th bedroom. Guess this is a kid's house. You can see the lights. Hey, Chopper! Who doesn't like that? Oh, it's a flight. See? It's a plain light. See the same adequate space, storage, the washroom. They all look the same, but they are classy. Everything here is top notch, magnificent, amazing. Just look at that. So guys, if you like this content, kindly ensure you subscribe, leave a comment, share. You know, when you like and share, a lot of people get to see our content, thanks to you. And we really appreciate those who are supporting us, those who are trying to to engage us in everything that you're doing. We really take those positive comments very well. So here is our master bedroom, and unfortunately we did not have the key to access it, but I'll share some pictures later, or I'll share the pictures on my next video. So let's check the rooftop, because the rooftop is the second floor of the building. It's very spacious. It's very spacious. You can have a bonfire. You can sit down as you sip your whiskey or your wine. You can have some good moments with your family, because the place is very, very, very spacious. Just look at that. All that space just for you. You can even play football. Oh my goodness. This place looks amazing. Really, really looks amazing. So guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me what you think about this. So that's it ahead for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video till this far. If you have come to this far, kindly I want to say thank you. Thank you for the support. And as you leave, don't forget to like this content. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe also if you haven't subscribed. And share. So that's it. Adios.